Baba kayo ng choke. Come north, baba kayo ng choke. Never pass the choke. Locus on the choke, Locus on the choke, DX. Locus on the choke, pass the choke, north. Pass the choke, sige. Exit ang progress, Pag-beba ka dyan, Ice. Sige. Okay, come northeast. Northeast, sige. Come northeast. Don't get left yan. Okay, everyone, walk inside of them. Walk inside of them. Deep, hold them, left up. Defense, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, deep inside. Deep inside. 5, 2, come northeast. It is slow, guys. Come northeast. The big stairs. Listen now, wait. West, east side. Spread east side, guys. East side. Hang that. Grabbing Jude in the front. Okay, everyone look up. Look inside the pass. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dali nag-time. Ano ka na? Nice one. Spread that, guys. Spread that. Don't come around the road. Go inside the show. Spread that. We're still good. Spread east side. Didinig ka pa. Get ready to counter engage. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ano ba? Ay, kami sa reset. Defense your tanks, hold on. Listen mo, ang duty on this place. Come down. Come down the stairs. Come outside on the big stairs. West side. We're going to the big stairs. We'll get caught there, we're holding the show. We're gonna push in a bit. Stuck on the left tank. Walk in donor. Oh, we're gonna push them on the stairs. 5, 4, everyone. Observe the stairs. Everyone, counter engage. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Counter engage na ka na. Sinasabayan na tayo. Everyone, kami side. Northeast spread. They're gonna have the engage. Spread, guys. Listen to please in the front. Spread, guys. Spread. Okay, we're gonna engage. Ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just on the front. Too slow. Everyone spread. Nice low. Good, everyone. West side. Spread. Don't observe the blazing. Everyone, We're gonna engage. Inside the pass. 4, 3, 2, 1. Just squeeze. Nice one. Still the spin to win. Ready, they're gonna engage. They're gonna engage. Walk inside. Spread. Listen. Gonna counter engage. Counter engage. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's go. Spread north. Good damage. Spread northeast. Nice. Timing, come back. Hindi kanina ako namamatay sa kanila. Oh, they're too far out. Alis kayo sa blazing. We're gonna have heroes. North. 3, 2, 1. Hey, alis kayo dyan sa blazing. We're still good. Sino yung mag-aras mo?
Tangin na itong floor na pinakot ako.
Go, use in the front. Absorb, everyone. Everyone, counter engage, left side. Please, inside the first, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Can you delete this light? Can you delete blue word? Spread net. Actually, come down to small stairs, everyone. Defensive packs, can you hold them? Locus on the choke, can you locus on the choke? Help us. Ay, defensive packs, hold the choke. Bedrock mo. Ano ba yung bedrock? Nice one. Hold this choke. We're gonna hold this choke. Spread kayo west side. Sige, we're gonna hold this choke. Yeah, we're gonna hold this choke. Hold this choke. Skip him in the front, ha? Patience. Alright, we're gonna engage. Let's confuse you. Alright, we're gonna engage. Yo. Alright, they're getting ready to engage. Alright, Ren, on the choke. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the choke. Delete that. Nice one. Kill this Bimos. It's your color. Remember, come back. Don't go unnecessary deaths. Stabilize. Listen down for you. Nice bedrock. We got 3 seconds again. Spread. Let's say the Kizu, don't go to we're gonna engage. Everyone walking. We're gonna engage at the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here. Ang ganyan pan? Tambak. That's okay. Spread, guys. Spread. Don't panic. We're still good. Spread. Just spread. Nice bedrock, guys. Yeah, we're gonna engage. Inside of us. Nice root bound. Inside of us in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside of us. On the choke.
Sorry.
Everything. Everyone. Nice on everyone. Walking. Finish these skills. Finish Janet. Go. Don't get unnecessary. Sorry for walking. Come back. KG, step back. Don't stay on the choke. Guys. Don't stay on the choke. Check naman si Gus. That's okay. Listen W choke. We're gonna engage. Nice stop, Kizu. Everyone on the choke. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's okay. We're gonna kill him. Back, guys. Back. Kizu, natutunaw ka lang na lang. Nagawa mo doon.
Spirit Hunter sa likod.
Kisan daw ba yung Spirit Hunter? Datang defensive tank. That's good. Okay, on the back on the defensive tank. Blue orb in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. One blue orb. Leave that blue orb. Nice one, everyone. Okay, I'm sorry. Just roll it out in the middle. Roll it out in the middle. Listen down with Janet. Defensive tank soldier.
Crossbound cooldown na.
Defensive tank soldier. Okay, everyone, look on the choke. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the choke.
Nice.
Come my side. We're gonna go to the big side. Listen, please. We're gonna go to the big side. Listen, Josh.
Kusang pa na.
Come up the big stairs. Come on, the big stairs. We're holding this shot. Position flying goat. Position flying goat. Spread, guys, spread. There's something on the west side. Catch your tanks, can you hold that? Nice one. We're gonna kill their tanks, kill their tanks in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here's the blue word. Blue word. Di man tanks pa rin sa blue word. It's okay, that's okay. Tanks keep holding them, ah. Tanks keep holding them. Dito na position side of it. Dito na position side of it. Spread, guys, spread. Spread the hammer. Spread the hammer. Ay, that, that bleeding. Asan na yung hammer? Sige, hammer.
Wala na tayong ako.
Hindi sila.
Flying goat.
Okay. Double sa time go. Okay. Just chill. Gonna engage in either. Gonna engage. Wala.
Oh shit. Mali yung transport.
Okay lang. We're gonna counter engage. Counter engage in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Counter engage.
Putang ina po!
Actually, never. Get-respawn lang sila. Finish run on the back. In the back. Dapat na stairs.
Pingi mana.
Wala tayong mana.
Drop druid all guys.
Ito
Ayun na.
Ready ya.
Yeah, thank you.
Mas Ben, ready ya.
Everyone, ready lang. We're gonna engage. We're gonna walk in. May walk in. May melee slowly walk in. We're gonna catch them on the choke. We're gonna catch them. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, come back na. Sorry.
Night time kami ng death tank.
Yeah. Wala kayo night helmet.
Di na night helmet yung Bentley. Sa first slot.
Ayaw nga pala.
Tulak.
Yo, spread. Kayo, northwest. Maximize your space. Wala na space nyo guys.
Ready ya.
Maximize your space.
Palit yung flying goat. Palit.
Sige. We can engage. Ay, hindi. We can engage yung flying goat, ha. Flying goat. Ano to ba to? Night armor lang. We can engage yung flying goat, ha. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. At ako, nakaroon ka flying goat. Yeah, that's okay. Spread. Let's engage. Yes, finalist ka kagad dyan. Yes, man, nice one. We're gonna counter engage. Sa Luchokin. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Luchokin. Actually, destabilize. Huwag na kayong mabalik. Yung W's nyo sa dyan. Defensive pang side na lang yung choke. Sino yung naka-ano ba?
Si Ice.
Ice, mag-charge ka.
Ready ya.
Tangin naman bukya mo po na. Taking gauge gago.
Taking game.
Gagi, ba't na i-engage natin?
Ready ya. Ready.
Lagi nang-engage yung flying goat. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hindi ko na-engage yung flying goat. Kay flying goat. Observe. Flying goat.
1v1 kami ng meron dito.
Okay, engage yung man. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Never mind. Alis.
Wala sinusunod.
Commercial.
Putang ina meron sir na to.
Sige. Commercial. We're gonna brawl them all. Dito is small space.
Oh, huli lang.
Catch flying goat. We're gonna engage your 5 seconds. Hold on, everyone. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Flying goat. Wala tayong hammer. Okay lang yun.
Ikot yung dalawa.
Okay lang. Okay tayo sila. Yo, don't go to the stairs. Yung gusto na yung flying boat, di slow niya siya. Slow niya. Oh, we're inside. In 5, 4, 3, 2, One. On the crown. Can you finish the kill? Drop Jude on the front. Yes man, magpunod ka na sa charge. Huwag ka na mag-aircon.
Wala.
Pakibrawl nga ito mga natin natin. Don't go too deep guys. Don't go too deep. Don't go too deep. Go spread. Spread. Huwag ka na counter yung isa. Spread na crown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Na-crown.
Ay, gago, connect tayo.
Go spread. West side. Go west side. Palo tayo si Gordon. Up is the big stairs. Defensive pass hold them. Tama, huwag na kayo nag-grow. Kipiling. Dapat yung healer natin yung kami side. Defensive pass holding mo. Defensive pass holding. We're gonna have to engage. People were wrong inside. We're gonna engage inside the pass. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside the pass. Engage that. Ay, son me, magpalit ka na. Southeast. Smile, magano ka na.
Wala na nag-hold sa kanila kasi wala nang snare charge.
Wala, reset na. Yo, mag-snare charge kayo. Death charge. Dalawa lang death charge. Ay, regroup. Sige lang, regroup to the base. Yo, ano bang ginagawa niyo?
Yan,
Ay, sorry.
wala.
Kanina pa kita sinasabi snare charge. Aircom ka pa rin ng aircom. Hello? Narinig mo ba ako? Nakita niyo yung score natin, 77? Di ba kayo nahihiya dyan?
Oh, yan.
Tayo tayong talo?